Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. There are several roles involved in a company's mobile app testing processes when making sure that an application is at the right standard. Some of the main roles in the process of testing apps on mobile devices are QA manager, the manager of the quality assurance department, tester, the person responsible for completing the mobile app tests, end users. Some forms of mobile app testing, such as user acceptance testing, rely on external users to complete mobile testing, as this is an opportunity to see what customers think of the product. Clients. Some companies develop bespoke industrial mobile applications for a specific client. Developers. The development team communicates with the QA team throughout, receiving feedback on the mobile application and providing guidance for mobile testers wherever there is a complicated feature that requires further support for the user. Some companies automate their mobile testing processes and hire a specialist automation engineer as a result. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.